with y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So today, I'm pretty sure y'all know what we're doing. If you follow me on Instagram. If not, then guess what? We're throwing on this diffuser right here. Use a burnt out clutch. What we're doing on this diffuser. Props to my boy Oscar for hooking me up with it. I pretty much got it for the low price of $3.99. But you know, when you get stuff for free, you're likely to get some damage. So this little tabs right here a little bit broke. But this one here, right here, this one's a little bit broken up as well. Right here, this right here is completely broken. I don't know if y'all can see that, but all this is missing. If you can see on this side, it's all connected. Also, the fins on the diffuser are a little bent up right there. Oh shit! Right there, a little bit of marks. But like I said, this is just temporary, you know, just to get the stock look out the way. And once I get this installed, I'm obviously going to have to go with the quad tips, just because single tips will look stupid in that much of a space. So I'm going to have to go with quad tips fairly soon. Don't that lineup look so lovely though? Sheesh. Man, I need to get this one back going. It's my pop's car though. You know how simple installs are supposed to take, you know, a certain amount of time. I think they say this is supposed to take like 2 hours. You know it's gonna take me a whole day. Just because I like to take my sweet ass time on things. And for this video, we're actually gonna be using the GoPro, the head strap. That way y'all can see what I do during the whole little installation and cutting up my fucking bumper. All right, so we're gonna get started by removing these right here. Don't expect to learn anything from this video, y'all. I am not you know, I'm not the installer type. I'm more of the just whichever way works the best is the way I'm gonna do it. Let's put a little pin right here. Let's take this out. All right, see that later. Put these over here, that way I don't lose them, which I probably will anyways. Another, fuck, I know I got a tool for this somewhere. Hello, you ready to cut my car up? Yeah, you gonna have to wait a little bit. Oh, it's a 13, just my luck. All right, so the bolts are out. I got all this exposed now. Now I can get to those bolts for the tail lights. Come on, what? There we go. That's like a, what is that? Bet money it's a 10. Bet money it's a 10. Oh, I ain't got no 10s. I bet you guys have never seen this ever. But an unlost 10 mil. I know where all my 10 mils are at. It's not a fucking 10 anyways. So what does it matter? Well, nope, fucking 11. You know why it's an 11? Because Ford did it. I better not hit that. Come on. Come on. All right, y'all didn't see that. That's terrible. That's called being lazy. Progress so far. Took out the tail lights. Took off this little trunk trim right here, little trunk panel, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Took the carpet off right here so we get to the tail lights as well. I'm out of breath because I ain't been in the gym in like 2 months. Thank you, COVID. Next, we're gonna get up under this car and we're gonna start unbolting the bumper from the bottom. And I'm sure there's some bolts right here I gotta take off as well. But let's get started on that, y'all. So I gotta take these 2 bolts off right here. I don't know if I'm shooting light with the little phone. These 2 bolts off on each side. There's 2 on the passenger side and 2 on the driver's side. And then we gotta take these off right here. I can't really. Ah, fuck. You gotta take these 2 push pins off. You got 2 of them. And normally you have to take these off as well, but these are already pretty much off. So I'm pretty sure that's all that's holding the bumper off. And then we can take it off and start cutting this shit away. All right, so we disconnected everything. I'm pretty sure we disconnected the tail lights. We disconnected the bumper from the bottom, the sides. Let's see if it comes off. Hell no, what the fuck? It might, hold on. Nah, I don't buy it. So I'm still holding this on for sure. Or not. Maybe your boy's just stupid. Hold on. Oh yeah, okay. We're getting somewhere. Let's try this side. Oh yeah, okay, okay. So far so good, none's broke. Okay. Oh yeah, off that clip. Off that clip. Come on. Oh yeah. Getting somewhere today. What the fuck is this? Alright, so maybe I should disconnect this. Alright, what is this? Alright, so a little bit of a hiccup. Apparently, since my car has the little aftermarket backup camera that was on before I even bought the car, I got this wire that's going through my license plate that's connected to the backup camera. And I can't disconnect it up under the car because it goes up through my trunk. So I'm really this close to just cutting that shit off. Who needs a backup camera, you know? I ain't do that. What's it held on by? An Allen key? Alright. Y'all already know, bro. We got these Allen keys on deck. I can't see it. What the fuck? This bitch too small. This bitch too big. Oh, there you are. There you are. I can't see it, motherfucker. Dang. Oh, don't tell me it's a star. Don't tell me it's a star, bit. Oh, hold on. We can make it work, though. We can make it work, though. Man, I'm about to cut this shit. All right, y'all. So we actually ran out of daylight. I also punctured my hand with the screwdriver, messing with my trying to disconnect that can't talk backup camera. I got mad and I just cut it off. Fuck it, I'll buy another one later on. But yeah, guys, let's pick up with this tomorrow because I can't see nothing. All right, now that we got some daylight, guys, let's get started on this bumper. It's like 9 in the morning. I'm kind of tired still, so excuse my low energy level. Just a little recap on what we did yesterday. We took off the back bumper, the tail lights. I sliced my fucking backup camera in half. I still have to cut the back bumper. Then I gotta make sure the diffuser actually fits because I know, like I said, it has a lot of damage to it. Hopefully it doesn't look all tacky and everything. So we are in the backyard with it. Got my spare transmission right there. I started off by taking off the, the rear reflectors. Okay, see, I took this one off. I still gotta take this one off. Then I could commence cutting. Probably gonna use the Sawzall to cut here, and then I'll probably use the rotary tool to cut the rest. It's always more like a precise cut. And then I'll drill out the holes. You know what would be a good project to do though? One day, because whenever I get the money, that would be one hell of a project. Hopefully I don't fuck nothing up. Let's get back on with the program. So this tool is not working in my favor. It's a cheap ass Wind rotary tool that I bought off of Amazon. Won't do it again. Every disc I use broke on me, so I gotta switch it out. I gotta be precise. If I fuck it up, there's no going back. Alright, so we got this cut out. I followed the line. I think it came out pretty decent. Next step is to clean up the bumper so it doesn't look all, chopped up. Get it all smooth, and then we'll begin drilling these holes out and putting on the valance. Gio stopped by the way. So I'm currently drilling the little inserts out where you put the clips for the valance. I'm drilling those out right now. It's actually very easy. It's way easier than I expected. So finally, this cheap tool is actually doing what it's meant to do. So I'm gonna see if I can show y'all while I record. That's pretty much all there is to it, you know, just making that, drilling that open, so the clips will be able to fit through there. I'm probably gonna make that a little bit bigger. These ones are pretty good size. I'm gonna do the rest for all of these, and then we should be good. Just throw the bumper back on and let's see if it works, because like I said, I still don't know if the Valance is even gonna work because it's so damaged. I'm gonna try fitting the regular clips into it and see if I can get it to stay. I just need something to fit for now. I can get a real Valance later on. I don't need something to be a perfect fit at this moment. I just need a different look. That's all I want. So I just want to see how it's gonna look. So hopefully everything pans out great. So I got everything cut. I don't know if you can see the holes right here. I'm pretty sure y'all can see them. You're gonna make these little incisions that were on the back of the bumper. So we got those all cut. Boom, 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 boom. Next thing we gotta do is we gotta take this black piece off right here. This gotta come off. And that's what these little tabs right here. It's a little bit of a pain, but I just discovered a little trick. I'm pretty sure everybody does this except for me. Pretty much to start from the left side right here. Work your way, push this little middle piece in right here. I'm a terrible cameraman, look at this. You push this middle piece in right here. Come on, focus. This right here. Push it in through the screwdriver and you just work your way in a line. I just figured out it's way easier that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off real quick, and we're gonna test fit this diffuser, see if it works. And we're back on day, I don't even know. We skipped a few days just because I low-key gave up hope on the diffuser, but I found a way to make it work. And you know why I found a way to make it work? When we throw on these crusty motherfuckers, we know we about to put in work. These I don't even care no more shoes. We gonna make it work. We gonna make it happen shoes. So it's on there a little bit. I skipped ahead on y'all. I forgot where I left off. But so pretty much what I did is I got these two. I don't know if y'all can see. I got these two clipped in. This is broke on my bumper for some odd reason. Might have been because of the fence I hit. But it is broke. So I'm gonna get a Christmas tree clip and hopefully it'll lock it in place well enough just so it can stay. All the clips inside of here are broken. Well, most of them. You can see some of them are still trying to fit. Like this one's trying to go in. That one's in there. That one fits. That one fits. This one's being a pain. I don't know why it looks like that. It should be a straight one like the rest of these, but it's weird looking one. So that one's not trying to go in. And there's some clips at the bottom. I don't know if y'all can see these big ones down there. Those ones right there. Those don't even want to line up. I don't even understand that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a trip to O'Reilly's real quick. And I'm going to get those Christmas tree clips and some 3M tape. All right, so back from AutoZone, I ended up getting these little Christmas tree clips. It's for Chrysler and Ford trim panels. You can get them out anywhere, pretty much AutoZone and O'Reilly's. And they pretty much go where the zip tie's at. Let me see if I can show y'all. Oh, it's back there. It's right there. So they go where those go. And I originally was just going to leave it zip tied, but I'm like, you know what? We're going to do it the right way. So I bought some clips, and I'm going to show you how they go in right now. So clip just goes in the hole, goes into the second hole, and just push that shit all the way through. Boom. It's in there. That's it. The next thing to do is to get the backside sitting flush, because you see it's not flush at all. It's all loose. I can move it around. It needs to be like this. I'm gonna use this 3M tape right here. Put it all the way across this, and I'm gonna hold it there for maybe like a minute or two, and hopefully it sticks. I'm pretty sure it will. It's just a matter of making sure the mating surface is clean. But all the clips is broken, so this is our only resort. All right, y'all. After putting on the 3M tape, she is finally on. Man, I kind of like it. I ain't gonna lie. The fins are a little bent. I don't know if y'all can see that. But the fins are a little bent. But I can fix it later. I'll probably just heat them up and then bend it back with some vice grips or something later. But it'll do for now, like I said. And I laid the 3M tape. I don't know if y'all can see. I laid the 3M tape right along here. It stops right there. And then I cut it. I also put some Gorilla Glue at the base of this so it sticks to the Valance better. Then I started again right here after the reflector. Ran it all the way across to the right deflector. And then I stopped it again. Let me zoom this out for y'all. And picked up, damn, that shit loose. But started it again right here, ran it on the other side. And it's holding up nice, real nice. And I also got 2 clips at the bottom, and then both Christmas tree clips on each side. So we got a diffuser now, y'all. And I was actually thinking about taking off this because I'm not a track car. This is a drag car in the making. So I'm like, why do I need some track diffuser if it ain't gonna do nothing but slow me down? But I posted it on my Instagram and y'all liked it, so it's staying. I like it too. I was just trying to be, nitpicking, but I ain't gonna lie, I kind of like it a lot. Let's see what my girl thinks about it.
She acts like she hasn't seen you.
It looks pretty good. I like it.
I like it.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Is it on there?
It's on there. It's just held up with the 3M tape, the plastic clip, and the glue. But the glue is for the 3M tape. It's not going on the back of my bumper. Otherwise, it'll fuck my bumper up probably. But I like it. Like I said, the only thing I gotta do is I gotta go back to exhaust shop and I gotta get these lowered so it's not burning a hole through my Valance or my diffuser.
Why don't you just put a heat guard?
I'd rather just lower it. Because eventually I'm gonna get quad tips. That's the reason why the hole's so big, because I'm gonna get the quad tips.
That's how you went earlier, no?
Yeah, they lowered it, but it needs to go even lower now. Because before I couldn't even put the diffuser on because it was like blocking it. But yeah, it's on there now. You like it, Ellie?
The cutout's good.
You like it?
Wow, baby,
She
look
likes
at Dad's car. Wow.
I like the way it looks now. That's kind of hot. Especially from this angle. It looks kind of saucy. But yeah, guys, I ain't gonna lie. I like it. I didn't think I was gonna like it at first, but I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, she's staying. Until if the 3M tape falls off, then obviously I'm gonna get another one. But hopefully, I'm pretty sure it won't fall off, man. 3M tape is holding my side scoops, and those catch more air than my diffuser will. So I think we'll be chilling. At least don't go on the street. Check the angles out. Check the angles out. Like I said, it gives it a track look, but this isn't gonna be a track car, y'all. Trust, this is not gonna be no autocross. We're not hitting no corners in this. This is straight line car, but this is cool for now until I get the actual one. The one that I really want is the true fiber one. It's all carbon fiber. It's like 900 bucks. I'll get it once I'm done paying off my suspension. And yes, the suspension parts did come. So I do have my lower control arms are here. My control arm relocation brackets are here. My upper control arm and the bracket is here. The only thing I'm waiting on, and my radiator support. The the lightweight radiator support without the front sway bar. I'm taking off my front sway bar and my crash bar. So I better not hit nothing. Those are all here. The only thing the last thing that I am waiting on is my adjustable panhard bar. I already have one on here, but since I'm doing BMR, I'm just do everything BMR, you know. And the one that I have here has poly bushings. I believe the BMR one is straight dual, just rod end, so it's metal on metal. It's gonna be brutal, but we're gonna knock it out. So in the next video, guys, we will be installing all the suspension mods on this car. I wanted to knock it out all at once. More than likely, I'm not gonna be able to do all of it at once. It's probably gonna take some time. But if we gotta do 2 videos on it, we'll do 2 videos on it. Kind of excited to see how it's gonna ride, not even gonna lie. But as always, y'all, thank y'all for sticking around. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends. I'll catch you on the next one.